Breaking news coming in, and we are getting more details in the new case where a man named Arman was arrested for spying. Now, the police got a tip-off on 16th of May from an acquaintance of the accused. Now, as per initial information, he allegedly started sharing details like pictures and videos of the Defence Expo with Pakistan contacts. So, more details are unraveled in the new case. The police got a tip-off on 16th of May, and the initial information says that he allegedly shared details like the pictures and videos of India's Defence Expo with Pakistani contacts. So we have got multiple arrests in Haryana, and we are seeing influencers, businessmen, everyday citizens. It seems to us that this is a very deeply entrenched conspiracy, and this Pakistani espionage network is slowly getting into India, and it does speak for volume about the security challenges that India is facing at the moment. First it was Jyoti Malhotra, and then we have multiple arrests coming in from Haryana as well. Our colleague Soumya is now joining us live for more details. Soumya, what details you can share, because we are getting more information as far as Haryana arrests are concerned. How deeply entrenched do you think this entire network is, and how are security teams from our country gearing to deal with this new level of espionage network that the Pakistan agencies are spreading inside India?
Yes, well, Aishwarya, right now I am here in Nuh, and if we talk about this entire nexus, as far as the nexus spreading here in Haryana is concerned, all of this can be linked to one person, that is Danish, the Pak High Commission employee who earlier this last week was asked to leave India immediately. So all of these networks can be linked to just one person, which happens to be Danish. Now, the major updates that we are picking up at the moment with regards to the arrest of Arman, the 26-year-old man here from Nuh, is that his arrest was made on the basis of an important tip-off that took place on 16th. Right after that tip-off, police raided his house and got Arman out of his house, arrested him, and confiscated his mobile phone. Now, the details that have been accessed by the concerned authorities from his phones are several high-level information, secret information that are of important concerns, national security concerns, that were being shared with a few of the contacts. The numbers can be traced to Pakistani origin. Now, one such pictures and videos were related to the Defence Expo that took place earlier this year. So, you can understand these are the kind of informations that were being shared by the people who were spying on India, and their handlers were there sitting in Pakistan. Not just that, this particular gentleman, this particular man, I beg your pardon, Arman, happens to be from a family which already has a criminal background. His father is currently behind the bars, has been behind the bars from last 1 month. He is currently lodged in a jail in Chhattisgarh. Another thing linked to his criminal background is his brother, who happens to be the former sarpanch of this area, who he was involved in a Manrega scam. Not just that, sources also have to say that because of his close links with Danish, the Pakistan High Commission employee, he used to easily get people visas to visit Pakistan. Not just that, he also helped Danish get a SIM. With that, his passport has also been confiscated, and if we go through the details of the passport, two visits have been traced to Pakistan that took place last year in the garb of meeting his aunts, who happens to be there in Pakistan. So these are the details that we are picking up with regards to arrest of Arman here in Nuh.